What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka mr.dopestauts on Instagram, and welcome back to another machine tutorial. Today, I will show you an easy way to get a great sounding filter effect using Native Instruments' own Solid EQ. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is filter effect with Solid EQ. I want to go ahead and show you guys my process here. So let's go ahead and go to the master tab and make sure you're on the plugin and then instantiate Solid EQ. And I've already done that here. So here is Solid EQ. And the two parameters that we're going to be adjusting is literally the high pass filter and then the low pass filter. And then we're not going to be touching anything else. So basically the high pass filter, what is that? The highs are passing. The low pass filter, what is that? The lows are passing. So let's go ahead and listen to them each. So high pass first, nothing but the highs are going to be heard. Now let's listen to the low pass. Only the lows are going to be heard. Now, this is where it gets pretty cool. Now, when you adjust both of these parameters at the same time, listen to what happens. You see how it sounds a little bit more like a radio type effect, and it's just a clean and it sounds good type of filter. So let's go ahead and listen to it off again here. And then I'm just going to engage the high pass filter and then the low pass filter again. So let's go ahead and listen to it while I'm adjusting some of the settings. Watch the screen here. Now, let's just say I want to take that one step further. So what I'm going to do, I want to record that for my intro. So I'm just going to create another track here. We're going to call this, let's call it filter, FLTR intro, right? And then we're going to go to sound one, make sure we're on sound. And then we're going to go ahead and hit the S key. It's going to take it to our sample window. And then we're going to sample what we just did. So I'm going to make sure we're set to internal, master, and then I'm going to do only about 4 bars. All right. So let's go ahead and listen. Yes, that's what I want. So let's go ahead and sample that in for 4 bars. All right, so that's sampled in. So I'm gonna call this the intro. We're gonna change the sampler to the audio. New audio, go back here. It's gonna be right there. And then we're gonna move this down to only 4 bars. It's gonna be the intro here. Now I want to go to my other view here. It's the arranger view. We're going to go ahead and insert our clip here. And we're going to go ahead and insert that there. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and add a scene. So now I no longer need my Solid EQ. We're going to go to none. So now let's listen to it all together. And guys, that is how you do the Solid EQ trick. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Young Fizz, and we will see you on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. We out.